These tiny changes will make a huge difference in your wedding budget. Today I'm revealing 50 budget-saving hacks that will cut costs without cutting what actually matters for your wedding. These are the same strategies I use with my one-on-one planning clients, and I am sharing them rapid fire style for you today. So grab a notebook or screenshot your favorites and let's go. Oh, but before we dive in, if we haven't met yet, my name is Marie Hansen and I've been a wedding planner for 5+ years and was a pandemic bride myself. I created better budget weddings to help couples plan smarter, not just cheaper, with real strategy and zero pressure to overspend. Okay, let's dive in. Number 1, cut 10 guests, then cut 5 more. Very specific. Every guest add cost. Food, chairs, invitations, everything. Shrinking your list is the fastest way to shrink your budget. Number 2 is have a Friday or Sunday or weekday wedding because most venues will offer discounts for non-Saturday weddings. Number 3 is to get married in the off-season, winter or spring, because most rates are going to be lower and availability will be higher. So this will be your best shot at getting the vendors and venues that you want at a lower price. Number 4, do a morning ceremony and a brunch reception. Brunch food and daytime events are often cheaper and don't require as much alcohol. Number 5, skip the rehearsal dinner or keep it tiny. It's nice to have, but not a need to have. Keep it intimate or combine it with another gathering to save money. Number 6 is limit your wedding party. More people equals more gifts, flowers, makeup, and stress sometimes. 7 is to choose a venue that includes multiple spaces, but only charges one rental fee. So look for a venue that includes ceremony, cocktail hour, and reception areas all under one price. Number 8, avoid long holiday weekends because venues and hotels will cost more. Everything from accommodations to vendor rates can spike on holiday weekends. Number 9, reuse your ceremony florals at the reception. Move aisle arrangements or altar florals to the head table or dessert table and just sprinkle them around to reuse your florals and save money. Number 10, ditch the chargers. Nobody notices. They look pretty in photos, but they're totally optional. Number 11, use candles and greenery instead of floral centerpieces. So candles are romantic and affordable, and greenery goes a lot further than flowers. 12, skip floral aisle decor and use petals or reuse bouquets. Guests barely see aisle arrangements anyway, so skip or repurpose what you already have. Number 13 is borrow or buy secondhand your wedding dress. I actually did this myself, and it saved thousands of dollars, quite literally. There are tons of Facebook groups and resale stores where you can do this for super cheap. Number 14 is to use free printables or Canva templates. Design your own or get a really cheap template and then print it yourself. Number 15 is rent less. Only rent what guests will actually use. Skip the lounge furniture, extra bars, or cake stands that no one really notices. 16 is to ask your venue what's already included. Tables, linens, lighting, etc. You may not need to rent half the things that you think you do. Number 17, DIY your welcome sign, seating chart, or gift card box, any of that stuff. These are very low effort DIY projects that don't require professional help. And we actually have a whole other video that I will throw in here that you can watch on what to DIY and what to skip. Number 18 is use repurposed jars, thrifted vases, or family heirlooms for decor. They add personality while saving money, and they're just a lot more meaningful. Number 19 is to buy your dress during a trunk show or sample show. Boutiques often mark down the floor models heavily during these events. Number 20, consider a pre-loved dress from Nearly Newlywed or Still White or a Facebook group. You can get designer gowns at a fraction of the cost off of sites like that. Number 21 is to ditch the matching satin robes. They are so cute, but they are not necessary. No one wears them again, and they don't change your group photos. Number 22 is skip professional makeup for bridesmaids. Let them do their own, or if they really want professional makeup, tell them that they can pay for it themselves. Number 23 is rent accessories or wear heirloom jewelry. You don't need brand new jewelry for just one day. Number 24 is to get alterations done by a local tailor and not the boutique. Boutique alterations are usually very overpriced, plus then you support a small tailor. Number 25 is to buy your veil from Etsy and not the bridal salon. Again, same quality, but bridal salons often jack up the prices so much. 26, have a plated brunch or a food truck instead of a full dinner. You can feed guests well without a steak and salmon situation. Number 27, serve a smaller wedding cake plus Costco sheet cake in the back. It looks beautiful, it feeds everyone, and honestly, nobody knows the difference. 28, limit the bar to beer, wine, and one signature cocktail. You still have variety without the cost of a full open bar. 29, bring your own alcohol if the venue allows, and get it wholesale. Major, major cost savings if you can bring your own alcohol. Just hire licensed bartenders. Number 30 is skip the champagne toast with dinner. Most guests don't drink it, and let them toast whatever they already have in their hand. Number 31, ask about family style dining. This requires fewer servers, which means lower cost. It's elegant, communal, and saves on staffing fees. Number 32 is to use a Spotify playlist for cocktail hour or dinner music. This is great for budget weddings where every single dollar counts. Number 33, hire a DJ instead of a band. Bands are amazing, but live musicians cost significantly more. Number 34, book vendors for fewer hours. 6 to 7 hours is usually plenty of time. You don't need 10 plus hours of coverage, so just focus on the peak moments of the day. 35 is to find a photographer who offers half-day or elopement packages. They still capture the highlights, but for half the cost of a full wedding day package. 36 is to hire students or newer vendors with strong portfolios. You can find talent at a great price, just vet them carefully and ask to see portfolios from weddings they've shot before. 37 is to bundle services such as photo and video from the same team. Vendors offer often discounts when you book multiple services. 38 is to negotiate everything. Vendors expect it, just be kind and respectful. 39, ask about discounts for paying in full or paying via cash or check. Many vendors will offer incentives for avoiding credit card fees. Number 40 is to use digital RSVPs and wedding websites. They're easier, faster, and far less expensive than mailed cards. Number 41 is to print invitations with budget printers like Prints of Love. Professional look without the boutique markup. And we actually have a discount code for you too that I will leave in the show notes. Number 42 is to design one large stationery sign instead of individual programs. This saves on printing, reduce waste, and guests still get the info they need. 43, limit inserts on your invitation suite. Combine info onto one card or on your website. This is clean, it's modern, it cuts down on the printing and postage costs as well. Number 44 is to hand deliver invites to guests who are local. This obviously saves on stamps and postage, and it's kind of fun to get to connect with your guests too. Number 45, limit transportation. Have everyone Uber or carpool. Shuttles and buses are fun, but they're very costly. Number 46, find venues with included parking or no valet fee. Guests appreciate it and it saves you a surprise cost. Number 47, if you're having an outdoor wedding, use a friend's sound system or PA for the ceremony. Number 48, ask a close friend or family member to MC the reception. This saves on hiring a professional MC and adds a personal touch. Just make sure they're comfortable on the mic and can stick to the timeline. Number 49, skip the fancy send-off, no sparklers, limos, etc. You're not any less married without a $500 send-off. And number 50 is to join a wedding program like WedSmart, which has group guidance without planner pricing to get pro-level help and templates without hiring a full-service planner. I guarantee if you implement even one or two of these, you're going to save a ton of money on your wedding. And if any of these tips help you, I have way, way more for you. You can grab my Ultimate Wedding Planning Checklist totally free. It includes my Ultimate Planning Checklist that I use with all my clients. It's got over 350 to-dos, which I know you're not going to do all of them. That's overwhelming, but at least you think through every possible thing you could possibly need to do. And you can say, yes, no, I don't need to do this. Have I done it yet, etc. Plus, it includes my vendor email templates that I use to negotiate with vendors for my clients. You get those for free. And then I also have a full guest list tracker, which is incredible to track all your guests, their responses, if you send thank yous, what meals they want, etc. A full tool totally for free for you. Plus, if you want next level support, I have a program called WedSmart that I would love for you to come join me in. It's my monthly membership where you get my expert help, vendor trainings, planning templates, office hours with me. You get access to vendors that I've pre-negotiated discounts with for. It's incredible. Right now, it is only $27 a month. I can't guarantee if you're listening to this in the future that it is going to still be $27 per month. It is loaded with so much content, and I add more to it every month. But if you're interested, check it out. I'll leave the link in the description, but it's betterbudgetweddings.com/membership, and I would love to see you inside. All the links are below, and if you found this helpful, I would really, really, really appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up on YouTube, gave it a 5-star rating if you're listening on podcasts, and just share with someone who needs this help, because the more you share, the more people can get free help for their wedding, and that's really what I'm here for. All right, I'll see you guys next week.